Hey guys, you need to check this freaking video out. And this explains how educated dickheads spread misinformation through YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. And now let's watch the freaking video.
पहले आप ये वीडियो देखो। मैं पिछले 1.5 साल से लिप्सी टैबलेट खा रही हूँ। मुझे लास्ट 2 वीक से मेजर बर्निंग और इचिंग हो रही थी वाइट डोइंग से, बट मैंने इग्नोर किया क्योंकि मैं शायद इनफ हाइड्रेटेड नहीं। मैं अभी लास्ट 5 दिन से मुझे मेजर पेन हो रहा था मेरे कमर के साइड बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट। मैंने आंखों पर टेस्ट करा दिया, शाम को मेरे रिपोर्ट्स आए हैं। टर्न्स आउट कि मुझे कुछ नहीं। अब लिम्सी टैबलेट्स को एक्सपोज करते हुए मैंने भी पिछले साल अक्टूबर में ये वीडियो बनाया था, जिसमें आप लोगों का काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस आया था। बट कुछ लोगों ने ये भी कमेंट किया था कि लिम्सी टैबलेट सेफ है। उनका कहना था कि सिर्फ 500 mg विटामिन सी ही तो है और एक्स्ट्रा विटामिन सी को हमारी किडनीज फ्लश आउट कर देगी। देखो, मैंने क्लियरली अपने वीडियो में क्या बोला था। सेकंड, हाई डोज में विटामिन सी किडनीज में स्टोन्स होने के रिस्क को भी इंक्रीज करता है। और आज हमारे पास कई ऐसे रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल भी हैं जो मेरे इस पॉइंट को प्रूव करते हैं। अब आप लोग कहोगे कि ये तो बस कुछ एनेक्डोटल एग्जांपल्स हैं, कॉजेशन इज नॉट इक्वल टू कोरिलेशन। यस, बट हमारे पास और भी काफी रिसर्चेस है जिसमें हजारों पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे जो यही शो करती है कि रेगुलर बेसिस पर हाई डोज वाले विटामिन सी सप्लीमेंट।
So guys, he said he shows an anecdotal evidence of a woman who is consuming Limsy for 1.5 freaking years, and that's freaking dumb. Why would you consume 400 milligrams of Limsy or a long period of time? That's around 1.5 years. That's freaking dumb. But if we see the study he cited, it is total dietary and supplemental vitamin C intake and the increased risk of kidney stones. Okay, this is the study, one of the studies he has cited. And so let's go to the freaking study. Let's read the fucking study, okay? It says total dietary. Okay, the heading, I've said that once. And dude, we literates can interpret this freaking study. You do not need to have a freaking PhD to interpret this goddamn study. So this is what the result concluded. During median follow-up of 11.3 to 11.7 years, there were around 6,245 incident kidney stones were identified. And this is something which is very freaking important, and I shall read it. After multivariable, sorry, my bad. After multivariable adjustment, total vitamin C intake reference 92, 249, 252, 499, yada yada yada, was not significantly associated with the risk of kidney stones among women. And what has this moron cited? He has given an anecdotal evidence of a freaking woman. Isn't this blatant hypocrisy? And guys, I'm kind of biased against this Bhawesh Gupta because he is a close friend of Kashish Gupta, and I think that they both suck each other's dick so that they get more views, more clout. And they are like, oh, we are exposing the illiterates of the fitness industry. They are not. Okay, they have been blatantly spreading misinformation in the name of education, research, and all other bullshit. Okay, and this is where I expose him. He is citing an example of a woman who has consumed increased doses of vitamin C for a prolonged period of time. And this study literally contradicts that freaking anecdotal evidence. It is literally written that this was not significantly associated with the risk of kidney stones among women, but was among men. But the example cited was in women. So guys, if you are anecdotal evidence biased, then cite proper anecdotal evidences in at least 10 people, 20 people, okay? Or if you are entirely research based, then cite the goddamn research papers. But you are not both, okay? Your anecdotal evidence does not go in hand with your freaking research paper. This is blatant hypocrisy, guys, okay? And just look at the comment section of this freaking moron. There will be people like Dr. Bhawesh, respect. Guys, he's a freaking dietitian. First things first, okay? He's a freaking dietitian. He's not a doctor. And man, his freaking audience are so illiterate, they do not know the difference between a fucking beardless midget wearing a white lab coat and a difference between a freaking MBBS doctor. This guy has an MSc in nutrition and dietetics. He's not freaking Lane Norton with a freaking PhD in nutrition science. Dude, it's very easy to get a nutrition science degree. I can just go with my 12th marks card to Manipal College, pay the money, do a BSc, then pay the money again and do a MSc. It's as simple as that. Stop glorifying these educated influencers who have master's degrees and all that. Come on, guys. See through the bullshit. And this dietitian Bhawesh Gupta has been seen spreading misinformation about soya chunks. You know something? You know frickin' something? The people who consume soya chunks have a greater physique than this person and are more educated than this person. I can give a ton of examples. Just look at the natural bodybuilders like Not So Fit, aka Yathar Chaudhary, or any other a guy who freaking consumes soya chunks. Okay, soya chunks is great, and before you consume your vitamin C, limb C pills, consult a doctor. Okay, don't take it intuitively, or do not take it because some moron said you to do so, or even don't get fear-mongered by some random dietitian on YouTube shorts telling that if you consume limb C, you'll get kidney stones, blah 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 blah.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते